Hey guys! Are you looking smart door lock? In this video, I will show you top 5 best smart door lock for home to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Raykube Wi-Fi Electronic Door Lock. Brand name, Raykube. Model, RFG5+. Support Wi-Fi connecting, tuya version. Material, aluminum alloy. Unlock mode, app, fingerprint, password, smart card, key. Fingerprint read, FPC sensor, semiconductor sensor. Color, gold black. Card user, 100. Fingerprint user: 100. Chip type, dual core driver. Read time, 0.3 seconds. Touch screen, IML material. Operating temperature, -25 to 55 centigrade. Password function, support virtual password. Suit for the door thickness about 35-100 millimeters. Inside locked switch, if turn on this switch, common user cannot open lock by fingerprint password card from outside. Unless the admin user can open lock from outside. Number 4. Yawing Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock. Brand name, Yawing. Security biometric fingerprint intelligent lock with password rfid card. Remote unlock via Wi-Fi app, convenient and safe. Wi-Fi tuya smart lock, app remote management, door open and close, family member management. Yawing Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock. Panel size, 240 by 60 millimeters. Material, aluminum alloy. Unlock method, app password, fingerprint, password, card, key. M1 smart card unlock, support card unlocked, gently brush to unlock, easy to carry. Cylinder grade, C grade blade cylinder. Applications, hotel, apartment, Airbnb, school, office. Functional wooden door. Lock body, single latch, double latch 5050 optional. Power supply, 4 AA batteries, excluded. Suitable for door thickness, 35 to 90 millimeters. Number 3. Yrhand Fingerprint Door Lock. Brand name, Yrhand. Waterproof fingerprint smart door lock. Works with ttlock app. Fingerprint, 150 pieces. Password, no limit. Smart card, 150 pieces. Bluetooth, unlock by app. Battery size, 4 pieces AAA 1.5V. Support DC 12 volts input. Support scramble code. Work temperature, -20 to 55 centigrade. Fingerprint type, semiconductor embedded fingerprint. Button type, capacitive touch button. Bluetooth 4.1 Blank, Android 4.3 iOS 7 above. 2 ways of power supply. Our lock can be charged by 4 pieces AA 1.5 volts batteries. A slow can connect a cable with 12 volts DC power supply and support wiring extra exit button. Number 2. Ospon Smart Electric Door Lock. Brand name, Ospan. Product material, zinc alloy. Unlock mode, app, Bluetooth, password, card, key, unlock. Security function. Anti-theft alarm prompt function, low battery warning function. Installation requirements, door thickness, 38 to 120 millimeters. Door type, wooden door, security door. 5A diamond screen, durable, wearable, comfortable. Biometric fingerprint head, high precision, fast recognition, 0.3 seconds. Anti-theft design, automatic alarm sound. 365 days battery life. Number 1. Aqara Smart Door Lock. Brand name, Aqara. Model number, N200. Smart door lock fingerprint Bluetooth password NFC unlock. Works with mijia Apple HomeKit smart linkage with doorbell. Material, zinc alloy, aluminum alloy. Encryption chip, MJSC, Apple MFI. Doorbell function, support. Support app, Mi Home, Apple Home. Anti-cat eye unlock, support. Power supply, 8 AA batteries. Battery is not attached to the product. Customer self-preparation. Door type, wooden door. Security door, copper door. User capacity, 50 fingerprints, 50 permanent passwords. 25 NFC devices, 25 periodic temporary passwords, 8x one-time temporary passwords. Wireless connection, Bluetooth 5.0. Mijia Apple security chip. Integrated panel, handle design. Frosted texture door lock frame and handle. Anti-fingerprint residue handle. 100,000 hand press tests. Aluminum alloy one-piece structure. IMA scratch resistant panel. Reliable Japan-made Mobuchi clutch motor.